Man, we're going with y'all, man. It Renzs Customs, man. Hey, look, like again, y'all already know what the deal is. Y'all type into the Discord if y'all ever want to purchase this pack. Hey, look, I know I ain't dropped no new pack in a cool minute, but Renzs, AK Reanimated, you know, you coming back strong. Y'all just tap in, man. Y'all see the quality in this motherfucker, you dig? Y'all just tap in, make a ticket in the Discord. I'm gonna answer y'all tag me. You already know. Appreciate y'all, man. Alright, y'all, after y'all install a pack, first things first, what you want to do is locate your FiveM application data, right click, open file location, right click FiveM, open file location, FiveM application data. First things first, what you want to do, delete citizen, mods, and plugins. Delete that. After you delete, open up step 1, drag over these files. That's it. That should be done for the first part. For the second part, locate your GTA 5 folder, which is I have right here. But if you don't know how to locate that, you can locate that through Steam. Open up Steam, locate your GTA 5 legacy, manage, right click, manage, and browse local files. It will bring you to the same screen. And you exit off of that. If you have a graphics pack installed in your GTA 5 folder already, I recommend downloading a tool called GTA 5 Mods Remove Tool. This tool right here, you can press the big green download and download it, and run the program and press on the big red, and it should clear out all your GTA 5 graphics packs that you installed in there. And then you want to go back to the graphics pack, go to step 2, Control A, and drag it over to the bottom. And that should be all. Load up FiveM, make sure your Reshade at the top pops up. If there's any issues or anything, make a ticket in my Discord, and I'm happy to help. Get in VC and I can help you install this pack. Appreciate y'all, man, again, for the support. Appreciate y'all.